What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel where I upload weekly videos to help you all make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is definitely one of the most popular ways to make money online, and it's for good reason too. It can literally be done from anywhere in the world, and you don't even have to create your own products or services to start making sales. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 steps to get started with affiliate marketing and making commissions today. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my future uploads. Now, let's jump right into it. The first step to start making money with affiliate marketing is to pick a niche. A niche, simply put, is a specific topic or area of interest that you're going to focus on when building your affiliate marketing business. For example, if you wanted to focus on fitness, then you could promote workout programs, healthy eating plans, gym memberships, etc. If you wanted to focus on travel, you could promote hotels, airlines, rental cars, travel insurance, luggage, etc. Anything that you are interested in could be a potential niche. So just pick something that you enjoy and that you think you could build a business around. Next step is to create an account on an affiliate marketplace. An affiliate marketplace is a platform that connects affiliates, which is what we're going to be, merchants or businesses that want to promote their products. As an affiliate, we can browse through different offers or products that are being promoted and pick the ones that we want to promote. Once you sign up, you will be given a unique link to track traffic and see how many clicks or sales you are getting. Some popular affiliate marketplaces include ClickBank, CJ Affiliates, Amazon Associates, but there are plenty more out there. So do some research and find one that works best for you. The third step is to drive traffic to your offer. Now remember, you don't have to pay for traffic, so please don't fall for anyone who tells you otherwise. There are plenty of free ways to drive traffic to your offers. One way is by creating valuable content around the products that you're promoting. This could be in the form of tutorials, reviews, comparisons, or any other type of content that your target audience would find useful. Another way is through social media. You can join Facebook groups related to your niche and share your content, or promote products directly in the groups. You can also do the same thing on Reddit, Quora, Telegram, and various other platforms. There are plenty of free ways to drive traffic to your offers, so don't think that you're limited. You can even leverage other people's content to drive traffic to your offers by doing something called social media engagement. All you have to do is engage with other people's content on social media, and when appropriate, drop a link to your offer in the comments. So there's no real trick to this step. Just put in the work and you will see results. And the final step to start making money with affiliate marketing is to choose a payment method and get paid. Most affiliate marketplaces will have a variety of payment options available to you, such as PayPal, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency. So just choose the one that works best for you. That's it. It's really that simple. By following these 4 steps, you can start making money with affiliate marketing today. If you're looking to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, I highly recommend that you check out an online course. The course will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, including how to pick a niche, create a website, drive traffic, and get paid. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing, I highly recommend checking it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe. I post new videos every single week on how to make money online. So I hope to see you guys again soon.